Ever feel like you've got massive dreams, but zero energy to chase them? You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow, it never shows up. You want to write a book, get fit, learn something new, but instead you're stuck scrolling or binge watching. Let me tell you something. It's not because you're lazy, it's because the task feels too big. When something feels overwhelming, your brain panics and says, let's just do something easier. That's not laziness, that's biology. But here's the good news. You can outsmart your brain. Today on Power Talks, I'm going to show you how to break the habit of procrastination and finally start moving toward those big dreams, step by tiny step. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll realize just how powerful you really are. Step 1. Make it small. When your goals feel massive, your brain hits the brakes. So here's the fix. Shrink the task. Make it laughably small. Want to write a book? Don't think 200 pages. Just write one sentence. Today. Want to play guitar? Don't master a whole song. Learn one chord. Each small win builds momentum. It's like climbing a mountain, not by leaping, but by taking one step, then another. Your move. What's one tiny step you can take today? Think of it and write down in the comment below. Step 2. Build easy routines. Let's be honest, willpower fades, but routines, they make hard things automatic. Want to work out? Put your shoes by your bed. So when you wake up, they're ready. Want to be productive? Start every day with a simple to-do list. These routines are like training wheels. Eventually, you won't need them, but for now, they make it easier to start and keep going. Your challenge. What's one small routine you can build tomorrow morning? Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Here's a golden rule that changes everything. Promise yourself you'll just do it for 2 minutes. Want to read? Read one page. Want to clean? Tidy one corner. Because the hardest part? Starting. And once you start, momentum kicks in. Like a ball rolling downhill. The first push is the hardest. Bonus tip, reward yourself. Seriously, after those 2 minutes, celebrate. Play a song, take a breath, smile. Your brain will start linking action with joy. The people you admire, they didn't start perfect. They just started one day at a time. Right now, your dream is a spark. Every small action is fuel. Keep adding fuel, and soon you've got a blazing fire. So, what's the one small thing you'll do today? Write down in the comment below, because your dreams are waiting, not for perfection, but for consistency. You don't need to do everything. You just need to start. Now go. Take one step. Light that fire. And don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the next video, How to Build the Strong Mind. Because greatness, it doesn't begin with talent. It begins with action.